Huh?
One of South Africa's greatest comedians.
Guys, give him space. Give him space.
2 hours ago you made this? Excuse me, bro.
Let the artist breathe. Yo, let the artist breathe. Space.
Yes, you know what this means.
Please read, I need this. Chad! South Africa is crazy. You made this in 2 hours, bro? I gotta take a video of
Yo, give him the as well. Yeah, give him the picture as well.
Bro, what?
Put a tag on it. It's kind of hopeless.
Alright, get the bill. That is crazy, bro. Bro, they love her. It's crazy though, bro.
That's loud. Welcome home. Welcome back home. Yeah, who's side? Yeah, please.
Oh, yes, where? I actually have a marker. Use this one. So that you can see.
Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Bazala bam, I wanted us to talk about iShow Speed being in South Africa and people saying he is humbling South African influencers or South African YouTubers, guys. I for one, I don't see anything wrong about King Omar Yosi's going there to meet this guy because they're doing same thing as him. He's just popular and in a lot of following. I for one, if I knew of him, because now job as South Africa, I started following him or subscribing to his channel now. I didn't know him before, guys. I don't wanna lie. But if Nambing Maz and he's doing the same thing, very full opportunity to and him, I don't think Uba Hambule like deliberately. No, and I do not see him humbling this guy. I don't wanna lie. I just feel like he is so overwhelmed about this time sort of South Africa. You know, since I ended this tongue, ayenza Europe akatholanga the love that he's getting in Africa, akatholanga the love, and it seems like he is enjoying South Africa more. Remember, ubela just for 3 days or 2 if I'm not mistaken, but already sakathole more than 150,000 subscribers. Guys, that is love, and obviously angiyazi how to behave because I even saw story sakasivi izolo ebusuku apostile on chat ka this guy abantu are saying can we have they saying justice for Siv's justice. Then he's asking who is Siv? Kusho ukuthi even nabantu hamba nabo lapha akabazi abo DJs bo bom pop-ups akazi ukuthi who's this because baningi abantu abamtshengisa uthando and obvious indlela afike ngayo now abantu abaningi basamjelela is the first time la in South Africa, you understand, and abantu abaningi basamjabulela kakhulu and I feel like management naye yenza umsebenzi wayo kahle because uSiv uthi bokumele vele asebenzisane naye but unfortunately makafika lapho even the bodyguard umchieftain when he is explaining to the bodyguard no I'm supposed to work with him or I'm supposed to be here, then kind of bodyguard it was unfortunately I show sekahambile, you understand. So I don't understand why people are saying Speed is humbling South African influencers, and even though they feel like uba rejectile or somehow. Guy, let me tell you, my guy, if nami bokumuntu who's doing the same thing I'm doing, believe me, I will be there. Benzobuza ukuthi hayibo umama umntana omdala angaka ngabhabha emva kwecelebrity emva kwalo muntu lo. Guys, the last thing you wanna do in your life ukuthi uthole umuntu ongakunika ichance ukuthi akukhuphule, then wena uhlala endlini just because ube arrogant ube ne pride. Usiv going there, King Omar going there, this thing will be on stream saka this Speed guy, then you'll never know who will see you, you'll never know whose sponsor will sponsor you, you'll never know who will recognize you. You understand? A lot of people, they can love you from a distance. Ungavela kancane evidweni. Baningi abantu athi mina ngavela nje kayi-1 ku TV, but today I'm where I'm here. I'm here because of that clip nyane encane. You understand? Them being there, they was just trying their luck. for their career since they're doing the same thing with Speed. So I don't understand why we are laughing at these young guys, but Speed has humbled them. Umuntu nje ongifila ngathi bangamele ngabe there and always all to be there with DJ Sbu. With DJ Sbu una 40 something lo mntana abantu una 20. That means the age ka DJ Sbu is 2 times the age ka Speed. I don't know why abantu South Africa you don't want to open doors for young kids. I don't know why abantu South Africa, especially who has been in the industry. DJ Sbu akayenza ama streams. Akayenza izinto ezenza bo King Omar nabo Sivu nabo your Bruce. Why aye lapha? Because we podcaster yena. Bekafunani lapha? It's like most popular podcaster as a South Africa, then we don't give Umekshi a platform ukusahlangana nalo umuntu loyo. We don't give abantu who have ama podcast ukuthi bahlangane naye, at least ukuthi bakhulise i-career yabo, at least ukuthi bakhulise ama page wabo. I don't understand ukuthi DJ Sbu why bekanikwe le opportunity ukuthi hambise lo muntu, because this thing bangayenza noma ubani. Abo Sivu, they could have taken this guy ukuthi bayodiscope. That is their life, mos. I really don't understand the young Kwatisale, but I don't feel like Speed humbled South African influencers or YouTubers. I don't feel like that, and I feel like they are just trying their luck, and again, I feel like because now we are talking about them. And they'll get more subscribers. You understand? I believe to see yesterday got a lot of new subscribers, even King Omar. I don't see anything wrong. They were just trying, to be recognized by this guy. You understand? And empilweni guys siyazama. Kuthiwa kubambeza ngelive. Uyazama empilweni. Yabona nje mawulela ngeke uzithole next. I don't wanna lie. I don't blame them ngoba nami ngabe bengimazi or ngabe kuze umuntu owenza what I love. Believe me not. I will be there. I'll be there. It's like owning a bakery, then kuzokuthiwa that guy obake amakhekhe was America. Ngizabe ngilapha emva kwakhe wanting ama receipt. Ngizabe ngilapha emva kwakhe ukuthi just in case uyangithanda, just in case mina naye siyakhuluma, I know I'll get one advice from him so that I can grow my business. That is all for me, Bazalban. Please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.